Do you want to learn how to make $15 every 10 minutes with just one website? If so, you've come to the right spot. Today, we'll walk you through the process of making $15 every 10 minutes with only one website. We know you guys enjoy it when we produce these sorts of videos, which is why we're giving you this one. This task will take you no more than 10 minutes to complete. It's simply that quick and easy, and we know you're all about the laid-back lifestyle. In today's video, we'll guide you through the entire process step by step, so pay attention and follow along. This approach is ideal for beginners who want to get started generating money online in the simplest way possible. This video or technique is precisely what you need to get started, and today's approach is 100% free. You don't have to invest any money or make any cash advances, and it's available in some or most nations across the world. So make sure you watch it all and then let us know if it works for you or not. Today's method does not require any prior experience or skills, and even a 5-year-old can do it. However, before you do that, make sure that you watch the entire video from beginning to end so that you are not confused about today's method. URL.io is the name of the website that we'll be utilizing today. As soon as you can view it, this is how the website appears. Make money by shortening URLs. To begin, you must first establish an account, then shorten your URL, and last, earn money. Why should you join Mini URL? There are 3 simple actions you can do to start earning right away. What exactly is a Mini URL? Mini URL is a fully free program that allows you to build short links that, in addition to being free, pay you, allowing you to work from home while monitoring and safeguarding your links. What do I make and how much do I make? How do you get started with Mini URL as a source of income? It's only a 3-step process. Make an account, create a link, then publish it to earn money for each visit. It's that simple. And there's even a 20% referral incentive. Mini URL's referral program is a fantastic method to get the word out about this fantastic service. And to increase the amount of money you make from your short links, refer friends and get 20% of their profits for life? Alright, for life. There is also a highlighted administration panel with a low minimum payout. You just need to earn $5 to get paid, so you don't even need to make $10. If you have $5, you may cash it out right immediately. You don't need to wait or make any more money than that if all you need is $5. Now we can pay all users at the greatest rates via PayPal, and we can make the most of your traffic with our ever-increasing prices. So there are just a few reasons why you should participate in this website or technique right now. Let's go on now. This website has had over 11 million clicks, over 900,000 URLs, and over 53,000 registered users, which is amazing. Moving on, we want you to go to Google and search for how to ride a bike as an example, and then click on the WikiHow results since WikiHow contains all of the instructions in text. Now take this website's URL and copy it. Then go back to Mini URL and paste it over here. Click enter as soon as you've pasted the link, and now you have your own personal short link. We're going to show you how to make money with this modified link. So copy your shortened link and paste it, and see where it redirects you. As you can see, it doesn't take you right to the WikiHow website, but rather to this page with additional information on how to make money using miniurl.io. And you might be a little puzzled, but don't worry, because we're not done yet, so just pay attention. However, the reason for this is that we need to confirm that we are not a robot, so they want us to click on this box right here, but we're actually going to a website of the link. Now basically what's going to happen is that you're going to be earning from this through advertising, and advertisers obviously pay for ads to be clicked. So that's how URL shorteners work, and that's how advertisers pay for ads to be clicked. So if people click on your link, they won't be taken straight to the website. Instead, they'll be taken to some advertisements and other content, and you'll earn money if they watch through those ads. But the basic concept of URL shorteners in general, but most of them have different strategies, and this is just one of them. Let's move on how you're going to market these links and get others to click on them so you can be paid. Now we want you to go to youtube.com and click on explore, then trending, since all of these videos are receiving a lot of views, which is why they're trending. Now we want you to pick a video where we can comment on our link so that others can click on it. So let's search up the iPhone 13. Because we think that's something a lot of people are looking for right now, especially as the Apple event just ended, and because there are also people looking for better videos on the iPhone 13 rumors, reviews, and stuff like that, so these are the hot topics right now, and that's exactly what we're trying to get. So after looking it up, let's click on this video. That's the video, and now we want you to go to google.com and search up what to look out for in the iPhone 13 or iPhone 13 rumors. Let's do iPhone 13 rumors since it's easier. Now as you can see, we have this. So let's grab this link and paste it on mini URL to shorten it like so. Copy that link and go back to our chosen YouTube video, and then we can start creating our comments. So go to the comment section and maybe type like good review. So that's your opinion, but you're not going to believe these secret rumors that just came out of Apple, and then you insert your link. So like click the link here. So make sure it's really clickbaity, because that's the whole point of it all, to get people to click. And if you get 500 clicks and probably even more, because people will want to know what's going on, you can probably get around 5,000 clicks or even more, which is a decent amount of money in a day, and only on one video. You can do this indefinitely on multiple videos with multiple different links, as long as you stick to the strategy we taught you to get people to click on your link and earn money. The trick is to find the perfect video no matter how many there are, and to make your comment as clickbait as possible. And that's essentially it, so make sure you test this approach out for yourself to see how successful it is, because we're telling you it is. So make sure you're consistent with it so you can continue to earn and branch out. Don't just do it on one video, do it on 5 if you can, or 3 if you can't, since those are still numerous income streams, and that's basically it.